plus 6x plus 5. X square plus 6x plus 5. For this sum of zeros, according to this what ma'am? 6 by 1, coefficients of x and coefficients of x square. Minus b means nothing but here minus of coefficient of x. Minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Minus b by a is nothing but minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Here c by a means constant term by coefficient of x square term. Constant term by coefficient of x square term. According to this sum of zeros, it becomes as per this minus 6. Yes, ma'am. Now product of zeros is 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. Is it correct or not? According to remainder theorem or factor theorem. Okay, now finding the values of polynomials for different values. If you want to write directly also you may find out. In earlier classes we learned. Yes, ma'am? Now x square p of x is x square plus 6x plus 5. Now p of 1. P of 1. 1 square plus 6 into 1 plus 5. 1 square is 1, 6 into 1 is 6 plus 5. That is total is how much? 12. Next to p of minus 1. How much? Minus 1 square plus 6 into minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 square is 1 plus minus 6 plus 5. How much it is? 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, p of 2. 2 square plus 6 into 2 plus 5. How much? 2 square 4, 6 into 2, 12 plus 5. 16 plus 5, that is 21. 21. In the same way, p of minus 2. How much? Minus 2 square plus 6 into minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 square is 4 plus into minus 6 2 is 12 plus 5. How much it is? 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. In the same way, p of 3. P of 3. Now 3 square plus 6 into 3 plus 5. What? 3 square. 9 plus 6 into 3 is 18 plus 5. 9 plus 18, 27. 27 plus 5 is 32. P of minus 3. Minus 3 whole square plus 6 into minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 square is 9. Plus into minus 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 5. Now 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus 18 is minus 4. P of 4. 4 square plus 6 into 4 plus 5. That is 16 plus 24 plus 5. That is how much? 16 plus 24, 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. Next, p of 5 minus 4. P of minus 4. Minus 4 whole square plus 6 into minus 4 plus 5. That is minus 4 square is 16. 6 into minus 4 minus 24 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 minus 24 is minus 3. Next, p of 5. P of 5. That is 5 square plus 6 into 5 plus 5. 5 square is 25 plus 30 plus 5. How much? Total 60. In the same way, p of minus 5. P of minus 5. That is minus 5 square plus 6 into minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 square is 25. Plus into minus, minus 30 plus 5. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So we are getting 2 zeros from above. Therefore, which are the zeros where we are getting 0? P of minus 1. P of minus 1 is 0 and P of minus 5 is 0. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 5 are zeros of P of x. Is it true or not? Check it. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Minus 1 plus minus 5. Minus 1 plus minus 5. Sum of zeros. This one only. Minus 1 plus of minus 5. How much? Minus 1 minus 5. Minus 6. Minus 6. 6 is by 1 not mentioned. So, if you mentioned or not, by 1 is exist. Yes, na? It can be written as minus of. Why? Because in the given expression plus 6 7. Okay, na? 6 is the coefficient of x. But before what you get here? Minus. So, minus of coefficient of x. By 1 is nothing but coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. That is nothing but according to this formation minus b by a only, na? According to standard form minus b by a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What we wrote the formula. Is it correct or not? So this is the relation between the zeros of the polynomial and its coefficients. Okay, na? And its coefficients. In the same way, product of zeros. Product of zeros is minus 1 into minus 5 is how much? Plus 5. Plus 5 is the constant term. Constant term. By 1 no. By 1 means coefficient of x square. Is it correct or not? It is the relation between the zeros and its coefficients of the polynomial. It is for quadratic polynomials. It is for quadratic polynomials. For cubic polynomials also there. For cubic polynomials, how many zeros will exist? We will get how many? 3. Cubic expressions get 3 zeros. Get 3 zeros. Okay, na? In generally, these zeros are denoted by alpha and beta. If 3, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, na? So, we may write without expression. For sometimes you have to write if zeros given. If zeros of the polynomial only given, then we have to derive the what we have to derive? Polynomial. Directly. X square minus of alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta. K of. Why it is k of? If we are getting any fractional form, then in place of k we have to write the fraction. Okay, na? These are zeros. Zeros means that value when we substitute this, it gets 0. That's why if we are equal to 0, then denominator will be cancelled. That's why here into k we should write. K is the constant here. K is constant. How much fraction we have fractional denominator getting, that much you have to substitute in place of k. In place of k. Not always. Sometimes without writing other value than 1. Okay. In the same way, this can be written as x square k of x square minus of sum of the zeros into x plus product of zeros in words. Okay. Next, cubic expressions. What are the relationship between cubic expressions and its zeros? Cubic expression and its zeros. Expression sum of zeros. here ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a standard form of cubic polynomial. Standard form of cubic polynomial. Now sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. That is minus b by a. Minus b by a. That is nothing but minus of quotient of a. B means x square, not x. In quadratic expression, it is x, quotient of x. But it is case of cubic expression, it is quotient of x square. By a means quotient of x cube. Quotient of x cube. Next, sum of the product of any two zeros. Sum of the product of any two zeros. Any two zeros. That is nothing but alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Product of any two zeros. That's sum. Here we are getting three zeros now. In that three we have to multiply any two and again that should be add. That's why sum of the product of any two zeros. Any two zeros. That is C by A. C by A. Here C is nothing but quotient of x here. Quotient of x. Yes or no? Here C by constant. Sorry, not coefficient, constant. Quotient of how much? X cube. In the next, product of zeros. Product of zeros. That is alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. That is minus d by a. Minus d by a. Minus d by a. Here coefficient constant term minus of constant term by quotient of x cube. Quotient of x cube. Here how to find the zeros for cubic polynomial. Here you have two methods. One method I am going to explain to you. Okay now. Let p of x is given like this. X cube plus 6x square plus 6x plus 8. X cube plus 6x square plus 6x plus 8. Okay now. Here how to find the factors? By using factor theorem only. In this factor theorem you have to, here involves actual division method also. Actual division method are by dividing, splitting into more than given number of terms. Split into more than given number of terms. First, P of 1 find out. P of 1 find out. 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 6 into 1 plus 8. How much its value? 1 cube is 1 only. Plus 6 into 1 square is 6. 6 into 1, 6 plus 8. How much is? 21. Next, P of 2 or P of minus 1. Minus 1 cube plus 6 into minus 1 square plus 6 into minus 1 plus 8. How much its value? Minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 6 into 1 is 6 plus 7 into minus 6 plus 8. Here 6 get cancelled. 8 minus 1 is 7. Next, P of 2. P of 2. Here 2 cube plus 6 into 2 square plus 6 into 2 plus 8. How much is value? 2 cube. 8 plus 6 into 2 square. 6 into 4 plus 6 into 2. 12 plus 8. That is how much now? 8 plus 12. 20. 20 plus 8. 28 plus 6 4s are 24. 28, 24 how much? 52. Next P of minus 2. P of minus 2. P of minus 2. Now minus 2 whole cube plus 6 into minus 2 square plus 6 into minus 2 plus 8. What its value is? Minus 2 cube is minus 8. That's not. Now 6 into 2 square is same we are getting. Plus 6 into 4 plus into minus 12 plus 8. This plus 8 minus 8 is cancelled. That's not. How much you get now? Minus 8 plus 8 0. 24 minus 12. How much it is? 12. Until get the 0 you have to solve this. Okay now. But we are not getting zeros I think. Here polynomial only gets wrong. Here it becomes 12x. It is 12x. Then we are getting 0. Okay now. If it is 12x, here only we are getting 0 at P of minus 2. P of minus 2 it's get a 0. Okay now. Again substitute in place of 6 we are going to substitute 12. Okay now. 12. What it gets? 12 into 1 measure 12. Then sum also change. How much? 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 12 19. 19 plus 8 27. In the same way here also minus 12 is not minus 12. How much is getting? 1 only. Next, here 6 4s are 12 2s are 24 here. Is not? How much? Now 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 24. That is 14 plus 24. 64. Now here 12 into minus 2, that is minus 24. Minus 24. Here you are getting 0. Here you are getting 0. So, x plus 2 is factor. X plus 2 is factor. Here minus 2 is the 0. Minus 2 is 0 means x plus 2 is a factor. X plus 2 is factor means in this polynomial we have to take an out. You should take out the x plus 2. That is the one of the method. Otherwise, with this we have to divide the given polynomial. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Here first term should be divided by first term of the divisor. X cube is divided by x. How much we are getting? X square. So x square into x, x cube plus x square into 2, 2x square. Yes, na? Now do the subtraction. Now x cube minus x cube is 0. Yes, na? 6x square minus 2x square, that is 4x square. When we are subtracting, symbol will be changed. Yes or no? Now 4x square divides x. How much we are getting? 4x in the quotient, right? Plus next term take down 12x. 4x into x, 4x square, 4x into 2, 8x. Isn't it or not? Now minus minus. 4x square cancel. That means 4x square minus 4x square 0. 12x minus 8x 4x plus 8. 4x is divided by x. It gives 4. It gives 4. Now 4 into x 4x plus 4 to the 8. When change the symbols, 8 minus 8 is 0. 4x minus 4x is 0. So quotient is x square plus 4x plus 4. That is the one of the method. Otherwise, now this one only we have to change it as the first x cube. Okay, now what should we get next? 2x square. X plus 2 is taken as common. That's not. Plus 2x square. But out of 6x square, we are writing only 2x square. That's not. Yes or no? Out of 6, how many we wrote? 2x square. Remaining in how many? 4x square. 4x square. Plus 4x square plus 12x. 4 2s are how much? 8. So 8x right. Remaining how many? 4. So 4 you should write. 4x plus 8. Now 2 terms as taken as one part. In each part what is common? Third one taken out. Here x square is taken. Okay na? What we get? X plus 2. Okay. Next here 4x is common. X plus 2. Yes or no? Next here 4 is common. X plus 2. Now in each and every part x plus 2 is common. Yes or no? Now x plus 2 is taken out. We are getting x square plus 4x plus 4. Now for this one you have to do the factors by factorization method also. Factorization method means first and last you should multiply and write the sum as the middle term. It is 4x square. 2x plus 2x you should write. Okay now? That already we learned in the previous class. That means 9th and 8th classes. Okay now? This is the way of finding the factors of cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Now today you should write examples and try this, do these problems. Tomorrow we will discuss the exercise problems. This one understood or not? Okay, right.